The way is beautiful, as you can see. It's green, the roads are good. We crossed Chirawa and Khatu Sham on other sides, and we reached the Khandela Palace. Beautiful. What a cute, waiting area here and reception. And then I can see this nice little garden. And I'm waiting for Dr. Raisal Singh.
You start from here.
Yes. Tell me. Oh, how
These are my antique old manuscripts and,
Ha.
and the Tikana things and the correspondences and all those
Correct.
things they collected.
Correct.
Since my childhood, it was my hobby to collect coins.
Coins. Okay.
And these all coins have been collected from Khandela.
Oh,
And they
how
date
beautiful.
as back as 600 BC.
Wow.
So these are somewhat Ashoka period, Mauryan period, then Gupta period, Kushan period, Indo-Sasanian period.
And you've kept it so beautifully. I mean, a lot of us collect coins, but they're all like in a pouch or something. But this is a beautiful way of displaying
These are
it.
all British coins. Ever since East India Company came in, till they left.
So you must have been really young then.
Yes, since my childhood I have been collecting.
You've been
these.
collecting that.
And as I told you that Raja Raisal
Huh?
first conquered, he is the person.
Ah, okay. So the man who made Khandil
Who
kind of
yes,
started
our
off
dynasty.
Your dynasty, yeah. And there was a link with the Shekhawat.
All Shekhawats, they
Okay.
originated from Khandela.
Ah, right.
For example, Mandava and Gumlo and
Okay.
Al-Sisar, they
Right.
all
Originated
originated from Khandela.
from. Okay.
Ours is the senior most seat of Khandela.
Okay.
This is horoscope.
Oh, okay. Makes for a beautiful display piece.
And today morning we went to Jagannath, Hillian side.
जिसमें ये कॉपर की शीट पे दे यूज्ड टू गिव अ डॉक्यूमेंट जिसको किसी को जमीन दी मकान दिया
Correct.
ये ताम्र पत्र है
Agreements basically used to made on them.
आजकल तो रजिस्ट्री होती है
Correct.
ये रजिस्ट्री है एक तरह
Land ownership papers.
I know. Beautiful. So it's made of metal, and how would they write on it
Copper.
while it's hot?
Engraving कर-
Engraving while it's hot.
ये वेट्स हैं ये सब वेट्स हैं पहले पत्थर के भी थे ब्रास के आए मिट्टी के आए फिर ये पत्थर का वेट है 1 किलो का फिर ये आए फिर ये आए इस तरह से टाइम टू टाइम होता था तो इट नेवर यूज्ड टू बी अ जॉइंट किचन और समथिंग बहुत
Right.
दूर से आता था
Right.
किचन तो बहुत दूर होता था
Correct.
तो राजा साहब के या फैमिली के जो खाना जाता था तो सिल्वर प्लेटर्स में जाता था
Correct.
उसको कवर किया जाता था सो दैट हैड टू बी अगेन अ वेरी स्पेशल कवर
Correct. A showy thing.
तो ये बनारस की जरी और सिल्क प्योर सिल्क ऑफ कश्मीर उसके ये कवर्स थे ये देखो आप दिस आर 100 years old now but still the gold shines as it was.
Right. So these are those food covers.
Food हाँ प्लेट कवर्स
Platter covers.
दस्तरखान बोलते थे इसको
Dastakhan.
दस्तरखान
Wow. Really nice.
ये भी यहीं पे मिला है कुशान पीरियड का है एंड इसमें अनाज रखा जाता था स्टोरेज
Oh, this is used for the storage of vegetables.
नो
No.
ग्रेन्स
Grains. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Okay. Store it and keep it, and it's made of what? Stone, basically.
मिट्टी
Oh, mitti ka hai. Okay. So it's openable.
हाँ ऊपर से खुला
Oh, there is.
If you were like this,
माय सन
Ah.
hi, nice to
ये तो बैंगल्स हो गई ये कोम हो गया वो जो से बताया था वो वुडन कॉम्स थे
हाँ.
और दिस आइवरी कोम
ivory.
द स्केल
Right.
ये उसका है द हैंड फैन
Oh, hand fan. The thing that you hold of the
Yeah,
hand fan,
yes.
basically.
एंड ये वो है महाभारत में जो पासे खेले गए थे,
Correct. The Pashas.
एवरीथिंग वाज सो टेस्टफुली डन. देखिए आप इसमें पन्ना लगा हुआ है,
Correct.
गोल्ड वर्क है.
Correct.
ये क्रोशे
Wow.
बैठे ladies.
Correct. Correct. Made of ivory.
मेड ऑफ. दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. दिस इज अ पेंडेंट.
Oh.
इसमें देयर इज अ स्क्रू.
Okay.
So you open it. इसमें put the perfume in.
Huh.
Cotton perfume.
Okay.
Close it and put a pendant here.
Also, you'll keep the fragrance will keep coming out. You'll keep smelling beautiful. Oh, how
This will be
thoughtful.
This one.
Beautiful.
आइवरी का लाफिंग बुद्धा. ये भी वही राइटिंग डेस्क. See the intricate carving on this. Ivory carving.
Beautiful. I love it how you put in everything, incorporate into the room.
Different one.
Yes, and that's how the stay of the guest can be made so interesting. I could spend a half a day only in the room, not even stepping out of it.
ये देखिए आप बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कॉइन है. ये भी कानून में मिला है. 600 BC again.
Wow.
And मैंने उसको फुट because it was so small. Silver coin है. And it's about 2600 years old. इस पे मैंने मैग्नीफाई किया है इस फोटोग्राफ.
Okay.
राम, लक्ष्मण एंड सीता.
Okay.
ये वनवास जा रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
तो सीता की देखिए अब चोटी है. ये पहले साधु वो संन्यास लेने गए थे. साधु वो नहीं रखते थे.
Correct. Correct.
जैसे पहाड़
चोटी।
वनवास जा रहे हैं. वाइल्ड लाइफ दिखाई गई. ये स्क्रिप्ट है उस टाइम की. सेम इसी पीरियड की.
हाँ.
ये दिस वाज स्क्रिप्ट. इस पे है सील है. तो मैंने मैग्नीफाई करके इसमें दिखाई.
Wow. So it's explained right there, Neil, and that's a great way of displaying it as well as imparting the knowledge that's attached to it. Beautiful.
ये तो मुगल कॉइन्स हैं. कुछ मॉडर्न है, कुछ
हाँ.
सेमी मॉडर्न है. ये बटन्स हुआ करते थे ना वो हमारे सिपाहियों के, पुलिस वालों के,
Correct.
फौज के.
Those buttons.
Even leather buttons.
And that's a neck piece, I'm presuming.
Neck piece.
Yes.
ये सब मिलता है.
Ah, beautiful gota work. Okay, these are your sheer curtains.
शेयर कर्टन्स है.
You're really using them well and promoting your local work.
I enjoy it really.
So you're telling me about that castle.
This castle is actually the original place where till my grandfather and
Okay.
also sometime my father lived here.
Okay. Okay.
Now
wow.
it's a joint family, about 10 heads of the family, so it's a joint thing.
Okay.
Luckily, I was the only son of my
Father.
and
Okay.
my grandfather also had a fancy of me.
Okay.
So he gave me this portion, and so of this part I am the sole owner.
Wow.
That is a joint thing.
Okay.
So we have not been able to develop that,
Okay.
and I developed my own place here.
Wow.
And this place was actually built sometime in 1780.
Wow.
So since then we are here. My first ancestor, Raja Raisal, he came to this place, conquered this place from the Nirvan dynasty of Rajputs, who were the rulers
Okay.
in Akbar period, about 500 years back.
And you're named after him.
I am named after him.
Lovely.
And since then, I am the 18th generation. If you have met my son there in Haveli,
No, we didn't have
he
the
is
luck.
the 19th generation.
Okay. No, we didn't have the luck. He was supposed to come, and I did think he had some work. So he kind of didn't come in.
My residence is upstairs,
Oh, wow.
and I have been here since 1972. I became a doctor, and then shifted here.
Yeah.
Ran a
Started this charitable hospital.
charitable hospital.
Brilliant.
How
My
brilliant
daughter
is
is
that?
studying medicine.
Yeah, I wrote to him. Yeah, she's just gone up to 5th year now.
Okay.
So she's in Europe and she has one more year to go.
Yes.
I mean, actually 2. 5th, and then there is that residency practice
I have
here.
about 19 rooms here. I have not changed anything. The basic architecture and
Yeah.
the interiors also I have done with my old ancestral inherited things. So this is how I have developed
How
this
beautiful
place.
is that? So nothing has been tampered.
No.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Even you didn't note this staircase. Now, about Khandela. Khandela is.
Now we are seeing going up the other part of the little castle where we go up straight to the dining area. That's the gorgeous dining area. A very ancient construction beam which has been used so interestingly to make kind of an arch as part of the dining area.
डे केयर के लिए आई एम दिस बेड
Okay.
properly laid.
Okay.
अब तो सब डिस्टर्ब हुआ हुआ है.
Uh-huh. Now we're at the charitable hospital.
This was the reception. अभी तो वहाँ कर दिया है.
Right.
But my family lives here.
Right.
मेरे छोटे पोते होते भी हैं.
Correct.
बाहर ही करते हैं सब.
Right.
That is my X-ray room. That side.
Okay.
And
X-ray room.
from here then, that was my consultation room.
Okay.
And from there then they put some there. ये हॉल है. ऑक्सीजन वगैरह देना है, माइनर कोई प्रोसीजर करना है, ECG.
And this is also part of the old construction that you've converted into the hospital?
Old construction.
Okay.
Minor surgical
Procedures.
नेबुलाइजर, अस्थमा वालों को ड्रेसिंग, ऑक्सीजन, ये सारा इसमें करते हैं.
Very nice.
This is my laboratory. All basic investigations we do here. Geddardas. This was 1624. 400 years.
So when any of your ancestors were physicians also?
My father.
Your father was also a physician? Oh wow. So that it runs in the family. Healing runs in the family. How beautiful. And what about your wife? Is she also from the Shekhawat then?
No, she is from Raebareli.
Raebareli. Okay.
She is a Chauhan.
She is a Chauhan.
We are Shekhawats.
And we are
Shekhawats
Chauhan.
can't marry Shekhawats.
Oh, okay, of course.
Same clan.
Yes. Because they are related somewhere or the other.
Same bloodline.
Somewhere, same bloodline, yes.
You can marry Rathors, Chauhans,
Right. Other Rajput clans.
Tomars,
Tomars, yes.
Tomars.
Yes. I think the Patan family are from Tomar
Tomars.
descendant.
Tomars.
Yes, that's what she told us
They are Tomars.
when we were there. And the view from here of the old city is gorgeous. This is up on the terrace of Fort Khandela. Isn't that a gorgeous view? The whole of the old Khandela city. आपका नाम?
सुरेंद्र कुमार सिंह.
और आप कब से यहाँ काम कर रहे हो?
7 years.
7 years. खंडेला के ही हो?
हाँ.
यहीं पे बिलोंग करते हो?
Yes.
Au revoir. Adios. Bye bye.